In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a view this email online link in Constant Contact. Adding a view this email online link is a small touch that makes a big difference. It gives your readers a clean web version of your message in case their email app blocks images, the layout looks off, or they want to share your content. Here's how to place it in the right spot and make sure it works perfectly. First, open your Constant Contact email campaign. This takes you to your campaign's overview, where you can access the content you've already designed. From there, click Edit to open the email builder. You'll be working in the same drag and drop interface where you set up your headers, images, and body content, so everything should look familiar. Next, add a short line of text near the top of your email that says something like, "View this email online." Placing it in the header area or just above your main content helps people spot it right away if something in their inbox isn't rendering correctly. Keep the text simple and neutral in tone so it blends with your design and doesn't distract from your headline. A slightly smaller font than your main heading usually looks clean and professional. Now highlight that text and click the link icon in the editor. It typically looks like a small chain link. This opens the link settings where you'll attach the destination for your view online text. If you have a web page version or a specific campaign link, paste it into the URL field. Make sure it's the exact address you want readers to land on, including the HTTPS prefix, and double check there are no extra spaces. A clear, accurate link ensures people see your message exactly as intended, with all images and formatting intact. With the link in place, it's time to preview and test before sending. Use the preview option to view the email as your readers will. Then click your new View This Email Online text to confirm it opens the correct page in a browser. It's also a good idea to send a test to yourself and open it on both desktop and mobile. Tap the link to verify it works smoothly and that the page looks good at different screen sizes. That's it. You've added a reliable safety net to your campaign that helps every subscriber read your content, no matter their device or email settings. When you're comfortable with the preview and the link check, you're ready to move forward with confidence.